Kung meron, bago po tawagin si Sir. Wala. Okay, dito muna kay Sir sa at the back. Again, dito sa middle area.
Sa akin po yung pinakatumatak na scene is the one with the German nurse ranting about the issues with nursing homes in Germany. Because I think OFW stories have the tendency to demonize foreign people. And with that kind of story, with that kind of conversation, it adds nuance that no other people has. And I think I felt it surprised me, to be honest, because I've never seen that before in any kind of OFW stories. Because again, OFW stories tends to be demonizing foreign people for whatever reason. But then that rant was such a realization that, hey, you demonizing the German nurse is not really the best thing to do, because they also have struggles. She is, as she mentioned, she's the only one who's there. So yeah, that's the scene that really shouted to me.
Thank you. Dito naman po muna tayo sa taas. Yes.
Hello. This feels kind of off considering most of the people here talked about the OFW experiences. But for me, to preface this, I am actually a student and a child of an OFW. My mother wasn't exactly in the healthcare part, but she took care of children of women from Arab countries. So, the scene that made the impact on me is how Kai, I think, talked about her mother from Japan, how her mother was like from sending cassette tapes or even sending balikbayan boxes that are essentially just a collection of Christmas, of Christmas, of the holidays, of their birthday, of graduation. It's an experience, considering that I essentially grew up without my mother in another country. So it's a reflective insight to see. But yeah, also the fact where the mother has to leave after the event or after she went home, it really stuck with me and had me thinking about my relationship with my own mother.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, maybe last point here.
Hello po. Isa po sa nag-strike sa akin na eksena is yung video call po ni Kai and din nung anak niya. Nakapag-reflect lang po ako na nakakalungkot kasi yung edukasyon natin, parang ang mga tinuturo sa atin, paano ako magiging useful sa ibang bansa. Na parang, mag-nursing ka kasi may chance ka makapag-abroad. Mag-nursing ka kasi mamamanifest yung pangalan mo na magiging rich ka. Parang nakakalungkot lang na nagiging bagong bayani tayo sa ibang bansa, pero hindi tayo nagiging bayani sa mismong bansa natin. So parang nakakalungkot lang na ang choice lang natin lahat para umasenso ay mga ibang bansa kasi dito hirap na hirap tayo. Ayun po.
Maraming salamat. Siguro at this point, iimbitahan ko naman kayo, if you have any question, provoke further the discussion on the issue. If you want to